Hey everybody, this is the type of video that I love doing. This is an unboxing. Little background, I've been waiting on this one for over a month. This was purchased from Craft with Craft Exotics, and I can honestly tell you the guy went far and beyond what was expected of him as far as communication. Great guy to work with. I've gotten no complaints with him. He actually checked the weather more frequently than I did to see when we could ship this animal. But Cole, if you watch this, I appreciate it. I thank you for a very pleasant transaction. Now let's go ahead and get this guy out of the box. Came from Peoria, Illinois. And from what I see, boxing was very good. Everything seems to be very warm, which is good. Oh, and we have a bag. Woohoo! Alright, this one here I'm very excited about. I am a big fan of the genetic stripes, and this is going to be the male for Giselle, which I think you guys met on the shout out Saturday. But this here is, from what I've seen in the pictures, absolutely a phenomenal animal. A little bit bigger than I expected. He did tell me that it was about 6 feet. So I'm going to try to move this up a little bit so we can cut that off without any harm to the animal. It appears he is anxious to get out of there. Yeah. Sorry, dude. All right. Let's see what we got. Now, for those of you that know how I name my animals, this is going to be Prometheus, and he is a platinum genetic stripe. Man, look at him. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, seems to be very healthy. I think we're going to go ahead and let him get warmed up a little bit. Yeah. I'm going to give you a close up look at him. If we can see, I hope that's focused in. Okay. Pretty boy. All right, Prometheus made it from Illinois good. Appreciate you watching the unboxing. We're going to pair him up. Let me go ahead and show you who he's pairing up with. To give you an idea, we've got some great babies coming. This is Giselle. She is a normal genetic stripe. As most of you know, the genetic stripe is a dwarf strand from the dwarf locale. So I'm really excited about this pairing. This is going to happen next season. And it's going to be a long year, guys, because I'm really excited about that. Looks great, Corey. I appreciate it. Appreciate you checking the weather and getting him sooner than I expected. I really thought I was going to have to wait till April. But the weather just happened to give us a break. And let's go ahead and get him in his enclosure and let him settle in a little bit. Prometheus, a platinum genetic stripe. So can't wait for that pairing. Appreciate you watching, guys, and we'll try to get back on track this weekend on the Shout Out Saturdays. We didn't do one last weekend because of an extensive DIY video. But we'll get back on those. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.